Pumpkin pie with cinnamon is a tender and delicious dessert pastry. Creamy pumpkin with cinnamon, creamy filling goes well with crumbly layered dough. Sift flour and salt into a deep bowl. Grind between the palms with soft butter so that the mixture resembles breadcrumbs, then add a lightly beaten egg and knead the dough. Roll it into a ball, wrap it in cling film, and refrigerate for 30-50 minutes. If the dough does not ball and crumbles, add 1-2 teaspoons of cold water. Clean pumpkin, remove seeds. Cut the pulp into cubes. Put in a saucepan with a thick bottom, add a little water and simmer until soft and the liquid is completely evaporated. Grind the pulp with a blender into a homogeneous mass. For greater tenderness, the resulting puree can be rubbed through a sieve. Put pumpkin puree in a deep bowl, beat with 2 eggs, sugar, cream, spices and salt. Roll out the dough on a lightly floured surface and cover it with a round low shape with a diameter of about 25 centimeters. Put a sheet of baking paper on top of the dough and fill in any cereal. This will allow the cake to bake evenly. Bake for 15 minutes. Pour the mixture into the baked dough. Bake the cake for 50-55 minutes. When the cake is cooled, it can be safely cut into portions.